property viewers, welcome to another video. Today we're in Bridgeport, St. Catherine, and I'll be sharing with you one of my newest listings on the market for sale. Now here in Bridgeport, I have a 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom home. The asking price is $23 million. Guys, if you're interested in this property, give me a call. My contact information will be at the end of this video, and it will also be in the description box. Now, property viewers, if you're interested in accessing royalty-free music, remember to use the link in our description box to sign up with Epidemic Sounds. Also, before you go, remember to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's take a look at this property. So as I said earlier, we are in Bridgeport, Portmore, St. Catherine, and we have here a centrally located property on the market for sale. Now to my left, we have the Bridgeport High School. Straight ahead of me, we have the basic school. And if you look to my right, you'll see the Bridgeport Wellness Center. In the community, you'll also find the police station. Now guys, this property is centrally located, as I said, so public transportation easily accessible, and there are a number of recreational parks that are also close by. Now come this way with me, you'll see that we have a fully fenced property. We have our gate here that allows vehicular access as well as for your pedestrians. Now inside here we have a driveway. You can fit your vehicle here. You have additional space to my left that can be a green space. You can choose to pave this area. It would be ideal for a lovely garden. You have the opportunity to expand on the building to the front as well as to the back. Now this lot offers approximately 2,500 square feet, so you have a lot of space to play with. Now, we won't be going on the inside today. However, you still have an opportunity to view this property. Property viewers, I'll be hosting an open house, and I'm inviting you to come and take a look, get an exclusive tour of this home. Now, on the inside, we have our living space that can comfortably fit your pieces. We have 2 bedrooms to the left, as well as the bathroom, and to the right you will find the 3rd bedroom. Now when you make your way to the back, you'll find the kitchen and the dining area, and just on the outside of this space is ample space for your drying yard, or as I said earlier, for expansion. Now the inside of the home offers approximately 1,100 square feet of living space, and I'd really like for you to come and take a look at it. Property viewers, if you're interested in this property, if you're interested in living in this community, give me a call. My contact information will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box. Remember, if you're interested in selling a property, give me a call. Let me help you get your property sold, and let us give it the exposure that it really deserves. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, before you go, to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next property tour. Bye.